Hello, my friends. I'm Miss Karen at Adams Memorial Library. Welcome to Song and Rhyme Time. Thank you very, very much for being here today. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining me. Well, let's do the Song and Rhyme Time song. Since we're here, we might as well sing. Well, at least I'm going to sing, and you are always welcome to sing along. But you are always welcome to just listen to if you would rather do that. But this is a Song and Rhyme Time song. And it starts with 1 and 1, and they make 2. Say, 1 and 1 make 2, so glad to be with you. 2 and 1 make 3, I'm glad you're here with me. 3 and 1 make 4, let's sing and sing some more. 4 and 1 make 5, then we'll do some rhymes. 5 and 5 make 10, so glad we're here again. Oh, yay. Thank you, friends. Thank you very much. Well, now it's time to do our hello rhyme. Say hello. We're glad you're here. So I tell you, my name is Miss Karen. To tell you, this is Petunia Platypus, and Stella Spider will be here later. But now it's your turn. You can say your name. Somebody else can say your name, and we'll listen and we'll clap. And if you just want to listen, as I said, that's fine. Whatever you want to do is fine, but I'm going to say the hello rhyme, and then I'm going to listen, and then we'll clap. How about that? Ready? Okay, let's try. Say hello, friend. How are you? We'll hear your name, and we'll clap for you. Okay, I'm going to listen. Oh, yay. I'm really glad you're here, friends. Thank you. And the next thing we do after saying the hello rhyme is count the hearts on the blue board here. So there's 1 here at the top, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 hearts are on the board. Well, let's count them one more time, but this time we'll sing the heart song. And we'll count up to 10 little hearts, and then we'll say they bring love to you today, so you can give yourself a hug, or you can give somebody else a hug. And please sing along if you'd like. Please listen if you'd like to do that. Here's the heart song. It goes 1 little, 2 little, 3 little hearts, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little hearts, 7 little, 8 little, 9 and 10 hearts. Bring love to you today. Oh, yay. Thank you very much, friend, and sending lots and lots of love to you too. Thank you. I'm going to put Petunia down and move some of the hearts so we can put some more things up on the board. Well, it's December now, and so getting ready for the holidays. So we need to make some food. Maybe we're going to make cookies. Oh, I know some people who have birthdays in December, so we might need a cake for that. So still got lots to do and lots of good stuff to eat and, to make too. So we'll be busy. But first, let's talk about what's on this tree. Can you tell what those are? Can you see? They kind of look like apples, but they're not apples. You can see on this one better. They're smaller than apples. And this one has some blue ones, but mostly these things are red. And they do kind of remind me of the holidays. They're cherries because you could put cherries in cake, or you could put cherries in cookies, or you could just eat a bowl of cherries if you wanted. You could, if you wanted some yogurt, you could put some cherries on top of that. It would be very yummy, but I myself think I could probably eat a bowl of cherries each day. And so could my brother and my sister. Oh yes, we'd all like to eat some cherries. Absolutely. So we'll say, oh my, I could eat a bowl of cherries. Oh my, I could eat a bowl a day. I could eat all of these. Oh my, I could eat a bowl of cherries. Oh my, I could eat a bowl a day. We're going to jump back, turn around, eat a bowl of cherries. Jump back, turn around, eat a bowl a day. We'll jump back, turn around, eat a bowl of cherries. We'll jump back, turn around, eat a bowl a day. Oh my, I could eat a bowl of cherries. Oh my, I could eat a bowl a day. Oh my, I could eat a bowl of cherries. Oh my, I could eat a bowl a day. My brother and I, we could eat a bowl of cherries. My brother and I, we could eat a bowl a day. We could. My brother and I, we could eat a bowl of cherries. My brother and I, we could eat a bowl a day. Oh my, we could eat a bowl of cherries. Oh my, we could eat a bowl a day. Oh my, we could eat a bowl of cherries. Oh my, we could eat a bowl a day. My sister and I, we could eat a bowl of cherries. My sister and I, we could eat a bowl a day. My sister and I, we could eat a bowl of cherries. My sister and I, we could eat a bowl a day. We're gonna jump back, turn around, eat a bowl of cherries. We'll jump back, turn around, eat a bowl a day. Jump back, turn around, eat a bowl of cherries. Jump back, turn around, eat a bowl a day. Oh my, we could eat a bowl of cherries. Oh my, we could eat a bowl a day. Oh my, we could eat a bowl of cherries. Oh my, we could eat a bowl a day. My brother and I, we could eat a bowl of cherries. My brother and I, we could eat a bowl a day. My brother and I, we could eat a bowl of cherries. My brother and I, we could eat a bowl a day. My sister and I, we could eat a bowl of cherries. My sister and I, we could eat a bowl a day. My sister and I, we could eat a bowl of cherries. My sister and I, we could eat a bowl a day. We could jump back, turn around, eat a bowl of cherries. Jump back, turn around, eat a bowl a day. Jump back, turn around, eat a bowl of cherries. Jump back, turn around, eat a bowl a day. Oh my, we could eat a bowl of cherries. Oh my, we could eat a bowl a day. Oh my, we could eat a bowl of cherries. Oh my, we could eat a bowl a day. Yum, yeah. Okay, maybe not a big bowl, but yeah, I could probably eat a small bowl of cherries each day. I like cherries. But I like a lot of other things too, like cookies. I do like cookies. And around the holidays, around Christmas time, I like to make lots and lots of cookies. So could you help me make some cookies, please? So we make some cookie dough. Let's try that. We'll say, okay, we are making cookie dough, and round the beaters go from the mixer. Good. We'll pour some flour from a cup, and then we'll stir and stir that batter up. Stir and stir and stir it so it's all nice and blended. Good. Then we'll roll them. We'll roll out the dough. We'll roll them and cut them nice and neat. We'll put them on a cookie sheet. Then we'll put them on the cookie sheet. Then we'll bake them and count them. Say, 1, 2, 3, and serve them to our friends with tea. Yes, cookies and tea sound great to me. We better make some more. So we're making cookie dough, and round the beaters go. We'll add some flour from a cup. We'll stir and stir our batter up. Good. We'll roll them out. Roll them and cut them nice and neat. Cut them with some cookie cutters. We'll put them on a cookie sheet. We'll bake them and then count them. 1, 2, 3. And then we'll serve them to our friends with tea. A little cup of tea and a cookie. Cookies. It's like some tea. Some tea. Perfect. Good. And that was good baking, but I think we need to do some more baking because one of the kinds of cookies that I really like are gingerbread cookies. How do you feel about those? Do you like gingerbread cookies? I do. So let's stir a bowl of gingerbread. Let's make some gingerbread in our bowl now. We'll stir a bowl of gingerbread. It's smooth and spicy brown. And then we'll roll it with the rolling pin. Here's the rolling pin. We'll go up and down. Roll it, roll it, roll it. Good. We'll take a cookie cutter and make some little friends. We'll cut them out. And then we'll we'll put them in the oven and bake till 10:30. We've got our bowl of the gingerbread, smooth and spicy brown. Mix it all up. Good. Stir the bowl of gingerbread, smooth and spicy brown. We'll roll them with the rolling pin, up and down. Good. We'll take a cookie cutter, make some little friends. There, we can make friends like gingerbread people. We could make, sometimes I like to do hearts. We could do other shapes too. We could make stars. We could make hearts, whatever kind you'd like. So we'll take some cookie cutters, make some little friends, and then put them in the oven and bake till 10:30. And then we could decorate them. And then we could eat them. See, if we had hearts, we could make some icing, make pink icing, put it on. If we make gingerbread people, we could make little faces. We could give them some buttons. It'll all be great. It's going to be so much fun. So good job, friends. But like I said, I know people who have birthdays in December, besides, the Christmas holiday being a birthday. Everybody might have birthdays, or, maybe they just want cake. Can't go wrong with cake. But if it's a birthday cake, that kind will have candles on, right? But you know what? You can't make a wish if we don't have the cake. So, oh my goodness, this song is called Where is the Cake? It's by Laurie Berkner Band. And what are we going to do if we can't find the cake? We're going to have to keep searching till we find it, I think. So this is called Where is the Cake? It goes, la, 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 la. Where is the cake? Everybody wants to know, where is the cake? Everybody wants to know. Have you seen it? I haven't seen it. Where is the cake? Everybody wants to know. Where is the cake? Everybody wants to know. Everybody wants to know, where is the cake? Oh, la, 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 la. Where is the cake? La, 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 la. Where is the cake? We want to sing happy birthday, but we can't because we don't have the cake. We want to turn out the lights, but we can't. We don't have the cake. We want to light the candles, but we can't because we don't have the cake. Oh no, everybody wants to know, where is the cake? Where is that cake? How could we lose a cake? I don't know. What are we waiting for? What are we waiting for? What are we waiting for? Where's the cake? La, 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 la. Where is the cake? La, 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 la. Where is the cake? Everyone wants to know, where is the cake? Don't know. La, 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 la. Where is the cake? Uh-oh. La, 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 la. Where is the cake? Everybody wants to know, where is the cake? No. What are we waiting for? What are we waiting for? What are we waiting for? Oh, wait. I see the cake. Oh my goodness. Yay. Here comes the cake. La, 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 la. Here comes the cake. La, 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 la. We've got the cake. La, 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 la. We found the cake. La, 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 la. Let's eat the cake. Yum. Oh my goodness. Well, what are we going to do if we couldn't find it? Say, everybody wants to know, where is the cake? 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 Oh my goodness. We put it down in a safe place and now we can't find it. Oh no. What are we waiting for? Oh, we can't find the cake. What are we waiting for? Can't find the cake. What are we waiting for? Where is that cake? Everybody wants to know, where is the cake? We want to sing happy birthday, but we don't have the cake. We want to turn out the lights. Oh, we don't have the cake. We want to light the candles, but we can't because we don't have the cake. Everybody wants to know, where is the cake? Everybody wants to know, where is the cake? Everybody wants to know, where is the cake? Uh-oh. Everybody wants to know, do you see it anywhere? Where is the cake? Everyone wants to know, where is the cake? What are we waiting for? What are we waiting for? What are we waiting for? Oh, good. Oh, here comes the cake. There. La, 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 la. We found the cake. Yay. La, 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 la. Here comes the cake. La, 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 la. Do you see the cake? Yes. La, 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 la. We've got the cake. Yes. La, 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 la. Let's eat the cake. Yum. Oh, it's a slice for you. Slice for you. Slice for everybody. Oh, maybe we should blow out the candles first. But, we got to do that. We got to blow out the candles for a cake. So, let's see how many candles are on here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They're a little easier to see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got 10 little candles on a chocolate cake. So if we have 10 little candles on the chocolate cake, but we blow 2 out, oh, Then we'd have 8. 8 little candles on candlesticks. We'll blow 2 more out, please. Then there are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 little candles and not one more. If we blow 2 out, then there are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little candles of red, white, and blue. Blow those out. Then there are just 2. 1, 2. 2 little candles standing in the sun, but if we blow those out too, then there are none. Good job. You can do it with your fingers too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 little candles on a chocolate cake, but we could blow 2 out. Then there are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 little candles on candlesticks. And blow 2 more out, please. Then there are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 little candles, but not one more. We'll blow 2 more out. And then there'll be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little candles of red, white, and blue. Let's blow those out too, please. 2 more. Then there'll be 1, 2. 2 little candles standing in the sun. We'll blow those out too. Then there were none, and we blew out all the candles. Blow out the candles. Good. Then make a wish, and our wish will come true. We can hope. Good job, friends. Thank you. And you know who always likes a good cake is Stella Spider. So could you please help Stella go up the water spout? Thank you very much, friends. Here we go. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout, and down came the rain, and it washed Stella out. But out came the sun. It's all good. It dried up all the rain, and then Stella Spider went up the water spout again. Yay. Thank you. You know what? It might be time to visit our friends. Maybe we could take the cake, but maybe we need to ride on the bus to go. Yes? I think we'll carefully carry the cake onto the bus. Let's do the wheels on the bus, friends. Ready? Here we go. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. The driver on the bus says, move on back, move on back, move on back. The driver on the bus says, move on back, more seats in the back, all through the town. Good. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. It's starting to rain a little bit, maybe a little snow. Better turn the windshield wipers on. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. You know what? It's a little bumpy on the road. Better hold on to the cake. The people on the bus go up and down, up and down, up and down. The people on the bus go up and down, all through the town. Good. There, the cake's okay. But now the bus got to our bus stop, so the doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town. Good. And the bus will keep going. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Beep, 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 beep. Thank you, bus. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, friends. Thanks for making cookies with me. Thanks for finding the cake. That was very important. Thanks for eating cherries. Thanks for dancing. Thanks for singing. Thanks for rhyming. Now it's time to do our goodbye rhyme. So can you please find your nose? My nose? Petunia's nose? Stella's nose? My nose. Did you find yours? Excellent. So on our face, we have a nose. Way down here, down by the floor. Mine are under the table, but I've got 10 toes. I've got 2 eyes, 1, 2 that I can blink. And I've got 1 head to help me think. And I have a chin, 1 chin. Very near my chin, I have 1, 2 ears. Here are my arms to hold up high. Here are my hands to wave. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Thank you very much, friends. Goodbye. See you next time. Mwah! Goodbye. Thank you.